What's up guys, it's Winner Singh from Singapore. Hope you have a fantastic day. And today I am at the Maharaja restaurant, and this restaurant is opened by the Sri Lankans. They have the Indian style menu because Indian and Sri Lankan foods are almost same. And the specialty of this shop is they have the coconut juice in the coconut on every table. I ordered the cheese parantha. When you order the cheese parantha in Indian restaurants, they will serve you cottage cheese parantha. And when you order the cheese parantha outside of the India, they will serve you mozzarella cheese parantha. Yes. This parantha is gummy. Look at this. It's a very fresh mozzarella cheese. I cannot even figure that I am going to eat the mozzarella cheese parantha. Let's have it. It's really rich and not too oily. Even I ordered the yogurt also, but I don't think it required with this parantha because it seems like I am eating the cheese margarita pizza. Just one bite is pending, but still I did not take the yogurt. That is the specialty of parantha. Let's grab the last bite. It's really good. It's all coated in the mozzarella cheese. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. God bless you and your family.